In this video, we will discuss graphing equations using the slope and y-intercept. The slope-intercept form of a linear equation is y equals mx plus b. This is the form we find when we solve the equation for y. The value of b gives the y value of the y-intercept of the line. So when we have the slope-intercept form, we automatically have one point on the line, the point 0b. The value of m is called the slope of the line. The slope is a measure of how steep the line is and is the ratio of the vertical change to the horizontal change, often stated rise over run. So m equals vertical change over horizontal change. A slope of a over b means that for every b units we move to the right from a point on the line, we move a units up or down if the slope is negative. Likewise, if we move b units to the left, we move a units down or up if the slope is negative. If m is not written as a fraction, rewrite it as m over 1. Then as we move right 1 unit, go up m units. For example, we'll write the equations in slope-intercept form and find the slope and y-intercept. This is just a matter of solving the equations for y. So if we have 2x plus y equals 4, we just subtract 2x from both sides. So y equals negative 2x plus 4. The coefficient of x is our m, our slope. The slope is m equals negative 2. The y-intercept, b is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept, and the x-coordinate is always 0. So we have our y-intercept 0, 4. We have 5x minus y equals negative 2. Then negative y is negative 5x minus 2, and we multiply everything by negative 1 to get y equals 5x plus 2. The slope, m, is 5, and the y-intercept is 0, 2. 3x plus 4y equals negative 12. We subtract 3x from both sides to get 4y equals negative 3x minus 12, and divide both sides by 4 to get y equals negative 3/4 x minus 3. The y-intercept is 0, negative 3, and the slope is negative 3/4. To graph a linear equation in the form y equals mx plus b using the slope-intercept method, first locate the y-intercept on the y-axis. Using the slope in fractional form, a over b, determine the amount of horizontal movement indicated, b, and the amount of vertical movement indicated, a. From the y-intercept, locate additional points on the graph by counting the indicated movements of the slope. Draw the line connecting and extending beyond the points. For example, graph the equation 2x plus y equals 4. First, we solve for y to get y equals negative 2x plus 4. We see right away that our slope m is negative 2 and our y-intercept is 0, 4. We write m as negative 2 over 1, so we'll go down 2 units for every 1 unit to the right. We start with this y-intercept here, 0, 4. Go right 1 down 2 to 1, 2. Go right 1 down 2 to 2, 0. Right 1 down 2 to 3, negative 2. Right 1 down 2 to 4, negative 4. Just draw a line through the points, and there we are. One more example. Here we have graph the equation y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. The slope is negative 3/4. The y-intercept is 0, 2. So there's our 0, 2. We use our slope to go down 3 and right 4 to 4, negative 1. We can also use it to go left 4 and up 3 to negative 4, 5. There's our line.